It's National Rosé Day, so we're gonna make the coast-to-coast sensation Frosé. So pull on your Lululemon leggings, get ready to sell some Arbonne. Ladies, it's time to get busy at the sex toy party, right? You guys do that. That's where you go to get together and they sell vibrators, but you don't really want, that's what Bob's Burgers told me. I don't know what women do. It's time to make your Frosé. Come on. It's National Rosé Day. What am I gonna do with it? I'm gonna make Frosé. Get hard, go deep in the paint, Frosé. I'm not much for blender drinks. Blender's locked and loaded, full speed, rock and roll. Woo! Let's get crazy. Rev them up, make your Frosé. It's a wind down, rack down. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's National Rosé Day. Let's make Frosé. Everybody loves it. It's delicious. If you don't love it, I'm gonna tell you a little secret. It's because you haven't had it. It's great. It's a delicious alcoholic slushie that you can enjoy all afternoon long on the patio. It'll be super cute. That's my best SoCal impression. It's like SoCal influencer impression. This Frosé is super cute. Oh, it's National Rosé Day, so man up. Get your blenders out. We're making Frosé. I need like a unitard wearing like beautiful assistant. Like if I was a magician. My sexy assistant. But like it would only be cool if like I didn't know if the male version or female version was gonna be in any given episode. So it's like, it's sexist. It's not sexist. It objectifies everybody equally, and I don't know what I'm gonna get. Am I gonna get like the oiled up, like hard body dude? Or am I gonna get the minxy little whatever? Whoever it is, they should be instructed to really be disgusted by my presence. That would be where the comedic parts where they're just like, just act like I smell bad. Are you taking these notes? This is how the show is gonna develop. Write this down, this is important. I want people on set with me who think I smell bad.
I'm so excited to be part of it.
What is up with this ice cube, man?
It's really tough. Why don't you crush it in the bag? Crush it in the bag.
I think that did it. You saw the whole thing change color. Or drink it the way it is, because it's good. That's fucking good. That's fucking good. That's some good shit. And we could go a little bit more over the top here. I mean, I don't know that it needs an umbrella, but I don't think it minds, right? Because UV rays are definitely going to age it prematurely. What do you think? Should we have that in there?
It doesn't. I never look at Frosé as a chocolate.
Fuck that. Let's not do that. Let's just drink this sucker. All right. Ah! Oh man, we had like that mixer when I went to the school, the Art Institute in Philadelphia. 5 seconds. When I got there, they were like, karaoke night, bitches. This weird goth chick did I Would Die For You and like made sex with the microphone on the floor. It was really wild. She was like, I would die for you. It was like, all right. That was cool. And then I got up and did reluctantly crouched at the starting line, engines pumping and thumping in time. The green light flashes, the flag goes up, and all together they race and churn for the cup. Yeah! That's a good song, man. I was cool for 5 minutes. I'd never been cool before in my entire life. And my first day of college, for 5 minutes, I was cool. And then the towers collapsed and I joined the army. Speaking of Buddha, little cute jiggly Buddhas, a lot of people compare me to a lot of different actors and characters on, like Kevin James. I've gotten Some of you are generous and say, young Kevin James, fit Kevin James. Kevin James was once upon a time like a star football player. That guy was real fit. I was never that guy. I used to get that I looked a little bit like Orson Welles. Happily the less fat, but there's that threat that I'm going to turn into big fat Orson Welles, eating frozen peas and drinking Chianti out of my beard. And I could go that way. I don't know that I would even mind. I get Fat Mac. Yeah, I get that. I get the brawny man sometimes, but that's just because of the stupid shirt. There's nothing brawny about me. You've seen my flabby ass arms now. But the one that I always thought I would get, but I don't get that much of, is Otho from Beetlejuice. Have you guys seen that? That's in my mind what I see. I look like Otho. Oh, I'm thinking Mauve. When's the best time to drink this drink? Well, Galentine's Day comes to mind if you get invited, if you were so lucky. I don't get invited to that. So I guess I could have it at Brotoberfest or something. Man, I just think I invented Brotoberfest. We're going to have to get down on that. That might be the how to drink holiday. Brotoberfest. It's actually a holiday I made up to attract all the bros away from me. I told them it's over there. It's over there. Go down to a Brotoberfest. I'll be fine.